We have with us Mrs. Laxmi Singh, the Commissioner of Police of Noida, one of the major, you can say uh, the pulse of the country. And I would request ma'am to kindly bring out the kind of various modern day challenges she's facing and kind of police reforms which we actually require now.
Thank you, sir. And good afternoon, everyone. It's indeed an honor for me to be welcomed on this dais and speaking out to delegates from all, I should say distinguished delegates from all walks of life, to be speaking at this national conference conducted by National Global Counter Terrorism Council. For me to be sitting on the same dais as my mentor, as my inspiration to join the force and speaking out on police reforms is a huge honor today, sir. Shri Prakash Singh Sahab is not an authority over national police reforms, but I must say he is a living legend.
Thank you, sir. And to felicitate this panel, may I request Dr. Paramita Datta, who is a research consultant with GCTC, and Ms. Kavita Verma, who is the Director of Shadow Info Systems, to kindly come and felicitate the panel over here. Please. Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mr. KP Singh. Professor Anju Valitiki.